Alright.
We're going to Disney Springs now.
I have to set the alarm.
Hashtag review of hashtag guy chicken. I'm ready. We're here at Disney Springs. Emergency, emergency, I'm hungry, I'm hungry.
I'm hungry. I'm going to Guy's Chicken, and I'm going to review it for the great public. We saw some.
What is this?
If you make dining reservations, you can sit at a... Oh, we can eat the Coca-Cola there. Would you like to eat the Coca-Cola there? Yeah. I love the Coca-Cola there. So mad when I found out you were here. We're gonna go to Flavortown.
We're going to Flavortown.
Going to Flavortown.
This is an event, and there's my hero right there, guys. Yes, sir. Get a nice pan of that. That was scary. Get the before shots. Before.
I'm enjoying.
Before. Shut up. Before.
Where's my?
Yeah.
Check it out. Just got done. I had the barbecue bonanza burger. Bam, bam, bam. I don't know what it's called. Something barbecue. Name's up here somewhere. Yeah. Fantastic. Probably the best chicken sandwich I ever had. Better, much better than Chick-fil-A. Don't even come at me with that crap. Danielle, what did you have?
Well, to say anything is better than Chick-fil-A's blasphemy. But I did go to Flavortown today. I got the Southwestern. It was very good. The wasabi honey sauce needs a little bit more wasabi. I wanted a little bit of spice, and I don't have a spicy sauce now. Mom just friggin' stole my special sauce over here. That's really good. The special sauce is really good. But I wanted some more spice, guy. What's going on?
I give it a 9 out of 10.
What'd you have?
I had the 3-piece chicken tenders. They were tender. They were huge. And they were just the right amount of spice. The French fries, no one's mentioned those yet. The French fries are incredible.
They really are.
I also had the wasabi honey sauce, and I would recommend a little more wasabi in it, but it was good. And the sugar, what else did I have? Brown sugar barbecue.
That's what I had. That's what my sandwich was called.
I love this. But you have to let
She's got all our sauces over there.
Well, he clearly is out.
The one thing I really commend them on is how moist the chicken is.
Oh, yes. That was amazing.
Like, it is, I don't know how they do it. Fantastic. Very juicy. Danielle, who invented that little screw over there?
I don't know.
Da Vinci! So that store was owned by Marcus. Not me. And we're gonna, I mean, it's good. Go in there if you want to. It smells amazing. There he is. What was that?
I said I met him in person. Yeah, that's just a fake imitation.
You wanna see that, guys? That's a big fat no. No. Alright, guys. Almost forgot you in the apartment. I know.
Guess where we're going? To the funeral home!
When the winter sauce arrived.
So here we are at Universal Studios.
Actually headed for Gringon.
Now I'm gonna get some butterbeer.
Y'all are stupid.
I watched this thing, y'all. Look this up. Look this up. I watched this thing the other night. It was called How to Make Butterbeer.
Yes, we watched it last night.
It was very good while we sat on the deck that Danielle never uses.
I'm glad we came so the deck is getting some use.
Let's see. I don't know what the frig we're running for. Gloves. Look at him waving to us. He mutilated the animal and took his hands and put them on top of his own. Y'all, I'm gonna need you to look at this sea of people that we're about to go into. We're about to join that. I'm not excited. I'm not looking forward to it.
Looks like they're all stuck on you.
At Frontierland now, we're gonna be riding either Splash Mountain or Country Road, Rocky Road ice cream first.
Well, we're definitely going to watch the Country Bear Jamboree at some point today. Because I don't think y'all have watched it in recent years. And let me tell you, Alicia and I Had a good old rip-roaring time in there.
Okay. Bubbles! Okay guys, now that we've been in here for almost an hour,
Yes.
we can finally see the trains.
Line for an hour.
Almost an hour!
About 20 minutes.
That's a total bold-faced lie from the queen of lies, sister. I'm scared. What's your opinion on the ride before getting on? The same ride you've been on 80 times.
I'm scared.
I put my bag underneath of me. Oh, here we go! We're currently running. I don't know why. Remember that, guys? 35 minutes. So when I message you and or talk to y'all in an hour and a half, and we're still in line.
It's Danielle's fault. Just hold it. Alright, we're gonna pull the lap bar down that never used to exist. Pretty good charitable.
So I was in the back of the last ride. I'm in the front of this one. Oh, there's the... So, if y'all haven't been to Magic Kingdom, you've got to go on Splash Mountain.
10 out of 10 will ride again.
Quintessential Magic Kingdom ride.
Great moments in history. La 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 la. Great moments in history. And this one features more.
So y'all wouldn't believe me if I told you this. Y'all wouldn't believe me, but this is the Fast Pass lane for Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire, whatever this is called, Peter Pan. Well, day 35 of waiting in this Fast Pass line. We're almost to the actual line. There is a screaming child. It's just Disney magic all the way around. I just want to know why everybody's so agitated right now. There's no need to be angry. There's no need to be upset. But a lot of people seem to be very upset and angry right now. Existence, it seems like. I haven't been able to figure out a discernible reason. Another staple of Walt Disney World, Florida.
Hi.
You gotta get on the Peter Pan ride.
Today while visiting this land of tomorrow. The people mover is
Make your feet side at all times.
He
There
said,
could be bumping involved. Thank you.
he said, your ride's gonna start exactly now. There could be bumping. Sit down. I've never been on the Carousel of Progress until today. And good lord.
It looks like the Robins are getting ready to celebrate Valentine's Day today. What year is it? Oh, right around the turn of the century.
Now we're getting in line for the Seven Dwarfs.
That's what we're getting in line.
I don't know what else to say. I'm exhausted. That stupid carousel made me like groggy, and the sun is like.
It was the Carousel of Progress, and I felt very progressive in it.
If you have sensitive cojones, do not get on this ride. Let me just reiterate that line there is for Small World. Have y'all ever been to Small World? We are currently navigating through this sea of human beings. We are like ants. I just saw a man gnawing on a turkey bone. What are we doing? We're going to We Bear Bears. That's where we're headed off to today. Let me fix my hair. It is the same day. Surprisingly, this is as old as the park is.
This is Disneyland
I
anymore?
don't know what to say about that.
I'm scared.
So it definitely didn't look like this last time I turned on the camera. We've ridden a few more rides, and we're going.
I'm here too.
We're going to supper, and then we're going to night. Going to bed.
We're going tonight.
Night. I'll talk to y'all in the morning when we get to friggin' the airport. I gotta download all this footage onto my storage device. I don't care. We're awake. We're loading up the car. We're at the airport. Bags checked. Through security. Getting on the train now.
Find their seats
On the
as well.
plane. Back in Tulsa. Bag secured. Uber secured. Hey guys, I couldn't film an outro to the last vlog for Christmas because my camera fell off my suitcase at the airport, and then I was unable to get it alive again, if that's the word for it, before it was time to put this vlog out. I had to actually buy a whole new camera because it dropped and pretty much shattered. So anyways, thank you very much for watching. The next couple of vlogs are going to be from this past November, immediately after I got out of AIT. That's pretty much all I got to say.